Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a beginner-friendly Salesforce CRM demo walkthrough so you can understand how the platform works step by step in 2026. If you are new to Salesforce, this overview will help you see how businesses manage customers, sales pipelines, and communication all in one system. First, log in to your Salesforce account. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation bar at the top or on the side, depending on your layout. Common sections include Home, Accounts, Contacts, Leads, Opportunities, Reports, and Dashboards. These are the core areas used to manage customer relationships and track sales activity. Let's start with Leads. A lead is a potential customer who has shown interest in your product or service but has not yet become a confirmed client. Click on the Leads tab and you'll see a list of existing leads. To add a new one, click the New button. Now enter basic information such as the person's name, company, email address, phone number, and lead source. The lead source might be a website form, advertisement, social media campaign, or referral. Once you save the lead, it becomes part of your sales pipeline. Next, let's move to Contacts and Accounts. In Salesforce, an account usually represents a company or organization, while a contact represents a person working at that company. When a lead becomes qualified, you can convert that lead into an account and contact. This helps organize your customer data properly. To view accounts, click the Accounts tab and open any record. Here you can see company details, related contacts, past activities, and sales opportunities associated with that organization. Now let's look at Opportunities, which represent potential sales deals. Click on the Opportunities tab and you'll see deals currently in progress. To create a new opportunity, click New and enter details like opportunity name, account, expected revenue, and close date. You'll also choose a stage in the sales pipeline, such as prospecting, proposal, negotiation, or closed won. As the deal progresses, you can update the stage so your team knows the current status. Another important feature in Salesforce is Activities. Activities include tasks, calls, meetings, and follow-ups with customers. For example, if you speak with a potential client on the phone, you can log that call inside the opportunity or contact record. This keeps a complete history of interactions, so everyone on the team knows what has already happened. Salesforce also provides reports and dashboards to help track performance. Click on the Reports tab and you can generate reports showing things like total sales, conversion rates, or the number of leads generated this month. Dashboards then turn those reports into visual charts and graphs so managers can quickly understand business performance. Automation is another powerful part of Salesforce. Businesses can create workflows that automatically assign leads, send email notifications, or update fields when certain actions happen. For example, when a new lead comes in from a website form, Salesforce can automatically assign it to a sales representative and notify them to follow up. Salesforce also integrates with email platforms, marketing tools, and customer support systems. This means your sales team, marketing team, and support team can all access the same customer data in one place. When everyone shares the same information, communication becomes more organized and efficient. Another helpful feature is the activity timeline inside contact or account records. This timeline shows emails, calls, meetings, and updates in chronological order, giving you a full picture of your relationship with that customer. This makes it easier to personalize conversations and provide better service. Before finishing, remember that Salesforce is highly customizable. Companies can create custom fields, build unique workflows, and design dashboards that match their specific business process. That flexibility is one of the main reasons why Salesforce is one of the most widely used CRM platforms in the world. Salesforce helps businesses manage leads, organize accounts and contacts, track opportunities, log activities, analyze reports, and automate workflows. Once you become familiar with these core sections, using the platform becomes much easier and more powerful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.